Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong December money reading. So, titignan natin yung energies ng inyong kaperahan, trabaho, career, business. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So let's see, Gemini, what's up with you ngayong December. You have conjunction alliance. So you will be working with someone sa trabaho, sa business, or a project na ipupurso mo ngayon related sa business mo, sa trabaho mo, and someone is willing to support you. And then you also have the 7th house relationship. So pwedeng ito ay business partner or a romantic partner na na very supportive sa mga ginagawa mo. Pwede rin itong kamag-anak mo, mahal mo sa buhay, family member na willing to help you, support you with your endeavor sa career, sa business mo. So, let's see what else. Yung tipong meron kayong papasuking project ng iyong kapatid, ng iyong parents, kaibigan. You also have the Queen of Wands and the 3 of Cups. There's abundance, there's joy coming in sa'yo ngayong December. Related rin to sa friendship, connection. So, I think, mas magne-network ka ngayong December. Malaking impact sa career mo, sa business mo, sa finances mo, yung network. Yung mga taong nakakasalamuha mo, yung pagpaparami mo ng mga kaibigan, connections. It's going to help you uplift your career, yung business mo. So, you will also try new things like yung mga creative ideas mo or creative talents mo. Mapapansin rin yan ng mga kaibigan mo or sa network mo at makikita nila na, uy, meron ka palang talent sa ganitong bagay or magandang idea pala yung naiisip mo for business. And I also see a lot of mother figure or a female figure sa buhay mo na very very supportive, no? Pwedeng mga magulang mo yan or parents mo, nanay mo or your romantic partner. And then you also have the Page of Cups. Even your children, no, kung meron ka ng anak. I think you will tap into your creative side, no, yung creative aspect ng life mo, related sa art, sa music, or creating something, no, based on your talents and skills. Pwedeng ito ay matagal mo ng pangarap. Ito yung tipong bata ka pa lang, alam mo na magaling ka sa area na to, no? Area of life. So, yung iba, pwedeng singing, pwedeng communication, hosting, pwedeng sa music, arts. And you're going to use that, yung God-given gifts mo, to make your life better in terms of your finances. You also have the Queen of Swords. So, this is finding strength in your ambition. So, mas lalo kang magiging mataas yung iyong mga pangarap ngayong December. Especially na nakikita mo yung parang nai-inspire ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo, na nakikita mo na sila ay nagsistrive, sila ay maraming mga na-achieve na rin ng mga goals sa buhay. So, importante rito is yung mga hinahayaan mong pumaligid sa buhay mo, yung hinahayaan mong mag-influence sa'yo, they should be good influence kasi makakatulong yan sa'yo sa pag-i-improve ng buhay mo. And I see mga mature people sa buhay mo na willing to give you their support, their protection. Yan. And then, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, things are changing for the better. The wheel is turning in your favor. So, kung naging challenging sa'yo yung trabaho mo, yung career, yung business mo in the past, ngayong December, may growth na dyan, may movement, no? You also have the Page of Swords. Meron kang learning opportunities, may mga trainings, meron kang mga pag-aaralan na mag-improve ng iyong skills, ng iyong ability. So, maging open ka sa mga ganyan, lalo na kung merong ino-offer sa'yo. You also have the Nine of Wands. Medyo magiging busy sa'yo yung December. May times na nakakapagod. But ang importante is you are setting your boundaries. Kapag alam mong hindi mo kaya ang isang bagay, wag mo nang i-accept para lang to please other people. Yung set your boundaries na sabihin mo na bukas na lang or sa susunod na lang. Kasi mahirap naman na pagsabay-sabayin ang isang trabaho sa isang araw, sa isang upuan. Kung hindi mo naman pala kayang ma-deliver, 'di ba? So, importante na you're able to manage your time. So, there's also an opportunity for you to travel. Pwedeng travel for work, travel for business. And this is also a new endeavor na ipopursue mo na pwedeng matagal mo na itong pinag-iisipan. Tapos, ngayong December, finally, gagawan mo na siya ng action. And I see someone na talagang very much caring sa'yo, na willing to help you, support you all the way. Meron kang karamay. Oo, meron kang karamay sa buhay na isa yan sa key, sa susi ng tagumpay mo. Yes. So, this can be your romantic partner, iba, relatives, no? Family members. Let's see what else. You have skilled. Yes. You are going to invest on your skills. So, paano ba tayo mag-invest sa skills natin? Number 1, learning. 'Di ba? So, kung alam natin na may potential na tayo sa isang area of life, then, andun din yung interest natin. So, syempre, yung learning naman, hindi natatapos yan. So, yung iba sa inyo, mag-invest kayo sa inyong knowledge. And then, also, mag-allow din kayo ng isang workstation sa bahay nyo, or pagtutuunan nyo rin ng pansin na magkaroon kayo ng workstation or workplace na kung saan makakapag-concentrate kayo sa mga gagawin ninyo. Hindi yung kung saan-saan lang kayo pumapwesto. So, yung iba sa inyo, may mga adjustments na gagawin sa inyong mga spendings. May mga iiwasan muna kayong bilhin or pagkagastusan para ma-meet nyo talaga yung inyong goals pagdating sa savings. Ayan. And yes, tinan mo tong connections na to. Marami talagang pwedeng mag-open up na opportunity sa'yo the moment na you connect or you network with others, kasi mas marami kang makikilala, mas maraming mag-open opportunities for you. And sabi nga, your network is your net worth. So I think mas patatatagan mo yung mga connections mo, no? Online man yan or offline. The choice is clear for you now. Follow the wisdom and truth you feel in your heart. Yes. So malinaw na sa'yo kung anong path ang iti-take mo. Importante yan, clarity, para hindi tayo nasa stuck. Okay? Use your keen perception and skill in making decisions. Do not delay. Yes, speaking of pagiging stuck, so for you, importante yung mga decision making mo. Yan yung paraan para maka-move forward ka sa susunod na step. Oo. And then, you have let go of convention and follow your own unique path. Yes. So, ito yung pagiging unique, pagiging genuine or pagiging original. So I think meron ka mga ipupursue sa buhay na ikaw talaga yung may idea niyan. Hindi lang siya nakuha mo sa iba, but this is all came from you talaga. Okay? So this is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan niyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.